Hi guys, this is a little test we wanted to show you guys with 72 volts and how safe it is in a marine environment because of the system that we've built, the logic that's built into the BMS and the controller and the motor. Super safe. So the little test we've got organized is we've got this cable, which you can see is plugged into our battery. We may as well go ahead and plug that in on camera. You can see this cable plugging into the battery. There we go. And then we have this end of the cable will turn on the battery itself. You'll see the battery bars light up. Hold and press for 4 seconds. There's our battery lights. We've got a full charge. That means full charge, 72 volts at 6.8 kilowatts. This is the new gen battery. Then what we're going to do is take that cable and put it in a bucket of salt water. This is not fresh, it's salt water. And then I got both hands in the water. I don't feel anything. There's no tingling, there's no surprises whatsoever. It's just water. Then we're going to take that, I'm not going to clean it. I'm just going to take it and I'm going to plug it straight into the M10. And you'll see the screen lights up automatically. And then it's going to ask me to install the kill switch. We'll wait for it to come on. It says install kill switch. So we'll lift this up, we'll put our kill switch in. The screen will turn to its home screen and you'll see we've got full power. Now there's a few reasons for this. It's super safe. So the first thing we have is we've got self-cleaning pins. So the connector will actually clean itself as it goes in, and this reduces and minimizes, basically completely cancels out the corrosion side of things. And then we have logic built into the system in the BMS, so the battery management system, that this cable is not live until it's been pushed into the motor and the computer in the motor has a chance to talk to the computer in the battery. They share information that everything's good to go, and then the live power becomes live. So the moment that you disconnect, everything's dead. There's nothing there. There's a very small 12 volt signal that is for the data so they can talk to each other, but other than that, there's nothing. So I can repeat the test again. I can take that cable, drop it in the water, both hands, and nothing is going to happen. So it's incredibly safe for everybody around a marine environment. There's no chance of anybody hurting themselves. There's no chance of electrocution. There's no chance that anything will go awry because you've got something wet. So just a little example, guys, of the amount of smarts that are built into the system and how safe the system is around a marine environment. Thanks for watching. We'll have more of this kind of content in the future. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more.